YouTube Music has neared its 10th anniversary, and it's decided to gift its users with a new feature for music fans worldwide. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The YouTube Music app has launched Taste Match Playlists, a new feature where friends and family can share songs and explore music together. It works just like Spotify Blend. The Taste Match playlist will be updated every day on a rolling basis based on the combined listening preferences of all the people that will join any of those streams. This YouTube Music update will offer even more enjoyment to the music listeners across the platform. Not only that the Taste Match playlist will update daily, but it will also be offering a mix of tracks that change based on what everybody in the group listens. And based on these shifts, you can find your favorite artist sitting next to something your friend plays on repeat that you've never heard of before. It won't only be about streaming music anymore. This feature will increase the musical bonding and connecting and sharing of taste. This will make YouTube Music users have a more social and enjoyable experience. However, that's not it for the updates. The app will also allow listeners to leave comments on playlists and albums directly. This way, people will connect and get close to each other's listening choices more. And not only this, but YouTube Music's expanding its live music offerings as well. To make sure fans never miss a moment, YouTube Music is adding new notifications that highlight an artist's upcoming releases, merchandise drops, or tour dates. With these changes, the app is surely advancing beyond simple streaming and turning itself into a hub where music, concerts, and community come together. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.